Buckle up, folks. Uber and Avride have just launched a new robotaxi service in Dallas. This partnership is set to transform the way we navigate our cities, literally putting the pedal to the metal in autonomous vehicle technology. Uber is steering into the future with Avride as they roll out an Avride-branded robotaxi service in Dallas. This isn't just a joyride, it's a calculated move in the fast lane of autonomous transportation. But hold your horses, or should I say, hold your robotaxis, because they've strapped a human safety operator behind the wheel to ensure we don't take off into the wild blue yonder without a parachute. The initial operating area is limited to 9 square miles, including downtown Dallas, but they plan to expand the territory faster than a jet on takeoff. Let's be real. This is just another attempt to lock you into their ecosystem. Once you start relying on these self-driving rides, good luck hailing a regular cab. Uber has been busier than a control tower during a thunderstorm, locking in partnerships with a range of autonomous vehicle companies, including Waymo and Nuro, like a pilot collecting frequent flyer miles. With 20 partnerships in tow, Uber is making significant strides in commercial operations across cities. By the end of 2026, they plan to have autonomous vehicles zipping around in at least 10 cities, including Arlington, Texas, and London, a true global ascent. Now let's talk about Avride. This Austin-based startup, part of Nebius Group, is not just a passenger on this flight. They've secured strategic investments worth $375 million from Uber and Nebius. Their sidewalk delivery robots are already zipping around, delivering food via Uber Eats in multiple cities. But the real excitement is in their robotaxi launch, which is like adding a first-class cabin to an already stellar airline. Talk about a way to drive up the competition. The fleet consists of all-electric Hyundai Ioniq 5 vehicles outfitted with Avride's self-driving system. Uber riders can request an Avride robotaxi when they choose options like UberX or Uber Comfort. However, getting matched with a robotaxi is like hitting the jackpot at a slot machine. It's not guaranteed, but you can increase your odds with a little app maneuvering. Who knew booking a ride could feel like playing the lottery? Just remember, folks, sometimes luck is the best driver. When you do get that sweet match with an Avride robotaxi, you can unlock the vehicle and even open the trunk using the Uber app. It's like having your own personal aircraft, but on wheels. And the price? Here's the kicker. It's the same as a ride with a human driver, keeping things level in the fare department. That's one way to keep the competition grounded. While Avride manages the fleet, Uber handles daily operations. This partnership is a strategic flight plan, ensuring smooth takeoffs and landings in the evolving landscape of transportation. Here's a surprise for you. Sometimes the best tech is the tech you forget is there. As these robotaxis hit the streets, you might not even notice how seamlessly they integrate into your day-to-day. So is this a leap into the future, or just a test flight? Only time will tell, but for now, Uber and Avride are soaring high above the competition in Dallas, with plans to expand their horizons in the coming months. I've added links to all the products mentioned in this episode down in the show notes. If you use those links, it's a small way to support the show, and it means a lot to me. Until next time, keep creating, keep adapting, and remember, the future doesn't wait for permission. This is Captain Overfit, signing off.